If you want Disney Plus, Hulu, and HBO Max, but don't want to pay for all three separately, bundling them together is one of the easiest ways to save money. To get the bundle, head over to disneyplus.com. You can find my affiliate link in the description below. Using my link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you and takes you directly to the official Disney Plus website. Once you're on the Disney Plus website, scroll down to the plans section and select the Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max bundle. There are two options available. The cheapest option is the Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO Max bundle with ads for $19.99 per month. This saves you $13 every month compared to paying for the three subscriptions separately. If you prefer to watch without ads, you can choose the Disney Plus, Hulu, HBO, Max Bundle No Ads plan for $32.99 per month. This option saves you $21 per month compared to purchasing the No Ads plan separately. Just keep in mind that even with the No Ads bundle, live and content still includes ads. Once you've decided which bundle works best for you, click Select. Next, create your MyDisney account or sign in if you already have one. Enter your email and password. Continue to checkout, review your selected bundle, and enter your payment information. Once you complete the purchase, your bundle will be active. You can start watching Disney and Hulu content right here on Disney Plus app. To activate your Max subscription, follow these instructions shown on the screen. I hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way is by using my affiliate link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.